So one of the most common questions that I get on the channel is, what case and screen protector should I buy for my S25 Ultra? Well, my recommendation would be the Ultra Hybrid Neo 1 MagFit case from Spigen, along with the anti-reflecting screen protector from Samsung. Man, this case is awesome. First off, the design is a conversation starter because it kinda looks as if the internals are exposed, which looks awesome. But the best part is that this case has got a ring of magnets here which allows you to use Magsafe accessories with your S25 Ultra, like this wireless power bank charger. And the magnets are super strong, so the charger isn't gonna come off and you can literally hold your phone upside down with your power bank. That is awesome, so the phone isn't gonna fall off. And there are plenty of MagFit accessories available in the market and you should be able to use them with this case. And this is a polycarbonate plus TPU case and it feels like it's got 2 layers inside of it. I mean, obviously if it's got those magnets, yes, it's got 2 layers. But nonetheless, it is quite slim and durable. And one of the things that I really like about this case is that the bottom is almost flat. So you don't get this annoying imbalance when you've got the case on your phone. Nice, I like that. Now coming to the screen protector, I recommend that you get this anti-reflective screen protector directly from Samsung instead of going with a third-party tempered glass because it's got the same anti-reflective coating as the original screen of the S25 Ultra, so you'll get minimal reflections even with the screen protector. You can clearly see the difference, Note 20 Ultra on the right and the S25 Ultra on the left with the anti-reflective screen protector. Makes a pretty substantial difference, right? And secondly, your fingerprint scanner is gonna work flawlessly. There was absolutely no need to re-register the fingerprints after installing the screen protector. Everything just worked. And applying the screen protector is very easy. So in the box you get 2 screen protectors along with an alignment tool, instruction manual on how to apply the screen protector, microfiber cloth along with dust removal stickers. Oh, and you also get this squeegee tool to remove bubbles, which we will need later in the video. So now that we have got everything unboxed, we will start by attaching the alignment tool to the phone. Remove the protective plastic on the adhesive, stick it to the bottom of the phone just like this. I'm also gonna power the phone off so that it doesn't keep on waking up when I'm applying the screen protector. Next, you wanna grab the microfiber cloth and remove all of the dust and grime off the screen. Make sure that you remove all your fingerprints, oil and any dust you see. Now before we use one of the dust remover stickers, we're gonna take out one of the screen protectors that we're gonna install. That's because we're gonna use the dust remover sticker right before we install the screen protector. So now set the screen protector aside and use the dust removal sticker to remove any speck of dust that you see on the screen. Make sure that you are extremely thorough with this part because if any dust gets trapped underneath the screen protector, well, that is gonna cause bubbles. Once you've removed all the dust from the screen, set the dust removal sticker aside and set your phone on a flat surface because this is gonna help align the screen protector. So now grab the screen protector and remove the number 1 label from it. This exposes a sticky part on the screen protector which will help you align it with the help from the alignment tool that is stuck on the phone. Once the screen protector is properly aligned, gently press on the adhesive area and this will help the screen protector stick on the phone temporarily. So now comes the fun part. Grab the squeegee tool, then lift up the screen protector from the top and the blue protective film should come right off. And all you have to do is slide the squeegee tool over the screen to make the screen protector stick. So just like that, and you'll have to do the same for the other side. And that is it. The installation is complete and now you can use the squeegee tool to remove any bubbles or any imperfections. And for the final step, peel the protective plastic that's stuck to the front side of the screen protector. And that is it. We're done. And as you can see, there are no imperfections or any bubbles underneath the screen protector. Oh, and by the way, this line in the middle will go away on its own in a couple of hours. But yeah, it's a perfect install and now we can go ahead and remove the alignment tool. And you want to keep all of these things in a safe place because we still have one more screen protector remaining. Alright, so it's been about a day since I've installed the screen protector, and you can see the line in the middle has completely disappeared. There are no bubbles, so the screen protector looks absolutely flawless. And with the case, it doesn't even look like the screen protector is on there. And obviously you've seen from the installation that it is not tempered glass, but it still feels as if you are touching the original glass screen of the phone. And the typing experience is good, so the screen protector is of pretty high quality. I mean, comparing it with a previous generation phone, you can clearly see how anti-reflective this screen protector really is. Anyways, that wraps it up for this video. If you have enjoyed watching, make sure to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel because I've got more videos coming up for the S25 Ultra. And this is Tech Guy Charlie, signing off.